Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're tired of wondering where your hard-earned money disappears to each month, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring how to track your spending with PocketGuard, a fantastic app that makes budgeting simple and effective. Let's dive in. First things first, what is PocketGuard? It's a free mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even cash transactions to give you a real-time overview of your finances. No more guesswork, just clear, actionable insights. To get started, head to your App Store and download PocketGuard. Once installed, create a free account by entering your email and setting up a secure password. It's quick, taking less than a minute. Next, link your financial accounts. The app uses top-notch security protocols, so your data stays protected. Simply add your checking account, savings, or credit cards. PocketGuard supports most major banks. It will automatically import your recent transactions, saving you tons of time. Now, for the core feature, tracking spending. PocketGuard categorizes your transactions for you, like labeling groceries, dining out, or entertainment. You can review and tweak these categories if something doesn't look right. This helps you see exactly where your money is going. Don't stop there. Set up budgets. Allocate amounts for each category, such as $150 for coffee runs or $500 for shopping. The app will track your progress and send alerts if you're approaching your limits, keeping you accountable without the hassle. One of the best parts is the "In My Pocket" feature, which calculates how much disposable money you have after bills and savings. Use the built-in reports to analyze trends over time and spot areas to cut back. By using PocketGuard regularly, you'll gain better control over your finances, reduce overspending, and work towards your goals faster. It's a game changer for anyone looking to build healthier money habits. If this sounds helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more tips, and download PocketGuard today. Take charge of your spending and watch your financial health improve. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.